welcome to our explainer on a topic that every single creator needs to know, YouTube SEO. We're going to break down exactly how you can get your videos seen by the millions of people who are right now, at this very moment, searching for content just like yours. Okay, let's start with a feeling I'm sure we've all had. You pour your heart and soul into making a video, you spend hours on it, you hit that publish button, and then crickets. It is so frustrating, right? But believe me, there is a very clear solution to this problem. And that solution really starts with understanding this one huge fact. YouTube isn't just a place to watch videos. It's the world's second largest search engine. The only thing bigger is Google itself. People are on there constantly, searching for answers, solutions, and entertainment. Your audience is literally waiting for you. We just have to show them how to find you. So how do we do that? How do we tap into that massive searching audience? Well, we do it through a strategy called YouTube SEO. Think of it as the key that unlocks the door between your content and the people who are actively trying to find it. Let's just break that down a bit. At its core, YouTube SEO is all about learning to speak the language of YouTube algorithm. It's how you give YouTube all the right signals so it can confidently say, "Aha, I know exactly who needs to see this video," and put it right in front of them. Now, this is a really important distinction to make. Getting views from the homepage or suggested videos is amazing, but that's YouTube pushing your content out there. With search, you are pulling in an audience that has already raised their hand and said, "Hey, I'm looking for this." That viewer intent is what makes search such an incredibly powerful way to grow your channel. Okay, so if you really want to master this, you need to understand how the algorithm actually thinks. And honestly, it all boils down to 3 fundamental pillars. If you get these right, you've pretty much cracked the code. So pillar number 1 is keywords, but let's think about this a little deeper than just a single word. It's really about understanding search intent. Is someone just typing in something broad like baking bread, or are they getting specific, like no-knead sourdough recipe for beginners? That longer, more specific phrase, that's where you find your most excited and engaged viewers. This quote absolutely nails it. You might think of your video as a cinematic Italian adventure, which sounds great, but if your audience is typing "what to do in Florence on a budget" into the search bar, you've got to speak their language. That's the real heart of good SEO. So knowing your keywords is step 1. But pillar number 2, on video optimization, is all about where you actually put them. You have to strategically place your keywords where the algorithm can easily see them and understand what you're talking about. Think of these spots as prime real estate for your keywords. Your title? That's your giant billboard. It's the most important signal you have. Then you've got your description and your tags, which back up everything your title says. Honestly, these are the strongest signals you can send. And hey, even the file name you use before you upload, that can give the algorithm a little clue too. And that brings us to our final and maybe the most critical pillar, audience signals. See, after you've told YouTube what your video is about, the algorithm then turns to your viewers and basically asks them, "Okay, so was it actually any good?" And if you take one thing away from this, let it be this. Good SEO will get you the click, but only good content will get you the rank. YouTube looks at things like click-through rate, for sure, but what it really cares about is audience retention. Why? Because if people click on your video and then stick around to watch it, that's the ultimate proof for the algorithm that your video delivered on its promise. That's the goal, and that is what gets your video promoted. All right, that's enough theory. Let's make this super practical. Here is a simple step-by-step starter kit you can use on your very next video. This 5-step checklist is your roadmap to success. First, find your keyword. And a pro tip? Just use the YouTube search bar. It's literally telling you what people are looking for. Second, build a great title around that keyword. Third, write a genuinely helpful description. Fourth, add some relevant tags. And finally, number 5, make a thumbnail that people just can't resist clicking. If you can master these 5 steps, you will be way ahead of most creators on the platform. So now you have the blueprint. You get the why and the how behind YouTube search. The only question left is, what's the first video you're going to go